Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by opening the recycle bin on your desktop with a double-click. The window shows deleted files in date order and by name. Use the search box at the top to find image types like JPG or PNG. Type *JPG or *PNG to filter results quickly. You can also sort by date deleted to narrow recent recoveries. Click a photo to preview it using the built-in viewer. Right-click a selected image and choose Restore to return it to its original folder. Open the recycle bin and switch to Details view for more file information. Click the Date Deleted column to sort newest to oldest files. If you expect many files, use the search term *JPG or *PNG to filter images by extension. Look at the original location column to confirm where the file will return. Select multiple photos with Ctrl or Shift to restore many at once. Right-click any highlighted photo and choose Restore to put it back in its original folder immediately. If you cannot find photos in the recycle bin, check cloud backups like OneDrive or Google Photos. Cloud services often keep deleted files in a trash for 30 days or longer. On Mac computers, open the Trash app and search for file extensions such as JPG or PNG. Use Time Machine on Mac or File History on Windows to restore earlier versions when trash or recycle bin is empty. If necessary, export recovered images to a safe folder and enable continuous backup to prevent future loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.